Hi everyone, our subtopic today is what are challenge of managing IT infrastructure and management solution. Okay, first, what are the challenge of managing IT infrastructure and management solution? Creating and managing a coherent IT infrastructure raises multiple challenges dealing with platform and technology change, cloud and mobile computing management and governance, and making wise infrastructure investment. Okay, next, dealing with platform and infrastructure change. As firms retake and debt start with excessive infrastructure purchase in better times, how can firms remain flexible if investment in IT infrastructure are fixed cost purchase and license? How well does the infrastructure scale? Scalability, ability to expand to serve large number for users without breaking down. Management and governance. Who control IT infrastructure? First, IT governance is primarily concerned with strategy and decision making. Then IT management. It's more focused on the operation excellence of the IT function. How should IT departments to be organized? Centralized. Central IT departments make decisions, and then decentralized. Business unit IT departments make their own decision. Next, making wise infrastructure investment. First, infrastructure major investment. Presentation are communication tools that can be used. If too much is spent on infrastructure, it lies idle and contributes a drag on firms' financial performance. If too little is spent, important business service cannot be delivered by the firm's competitors. It means who spend the right amount. And then cloud computing, a low-cost way to increase scalability and flexibility, but firms should evaluate this option carefully. This related question is whether a firm should purchase and maintain its own IT infrastructure components or rent them from external suppliers, including those offering cloud service. The decision either to purchase your own IT assets or rent them from external providers is typically called the rent versus buy decision. And then benefit using cloud service. Signification reduction is hardware, software, human resource, and maintenance costs. Okay, then total cost of ownership cost component. Hardware. Purchase price of computer hardware equipment include computer, terminal, storage, and printers. Second, hardware. Purchase or license of software for each user. Installation. Cost to install computer and software. Training. Cost to provide training for information systems specialized and end users. Support. Cost to provide ongoing technical support, help desk, and so forth. Maintenance. Cost to update the hardware and software. For infrastructure, then cost component is cost to acquire, maintain, and support related infrastructure, such as networks and specialized equipment, including storage backup units. For downtime, cost of lost productivity. If hardware or software fail, cause the system to be unavailable to processing the user task. And the last, space and energy. Real estate and utility costs for housing and providing power for the technology. And last is competitive force model for IT infrastructure. First, market demand for your firm's customer service, supply service, and enterprise service. Then, your firm business strategy. IT strategy, infrastructure, and cost. And then information technology, competitor firms, IT service, and competitor firms, IT infrastructure investment. 4. Firms business strategy and IT strategy, infrastructure, and cost. It is internal factor. However, competitors firm IT service and competitor firms IT infrastructure investment is external factor. Alright, that's all for this chapter. Thank you.